How good is this? We're camped at Pieman Heads and it takes a full day of forward driving to get to what I think is one of the most scenic places on the west coast of Tasmania. You know, the ocean's up that way, we're camped right on the river here, and we've got some protection out of the wind. Absolutely stunning campsite, and the best thing about it is we've got it all to ourselves. Now if you want to come with me and take a close look at the campsite, I'm going to show you a part of my setup that you really need to see to believe. Come on. Now of course you're no stranger to this unit. It's Red Arc's 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter. The fact that it's pure sine wave means that it can charge and power real sensitive electronics like camera equipment and stuff like that. But you'll never believe what the camera guys used it for last night. Come and check this out. Have a look at this. These LED lights here is what the camera crew uses to get those night shots around the campfire. And last night, well, they forgot their battery, so they've been running off my inverter for most of last night. And as you can see, even in the morning, everything's still going strong. We also use it to run small appliances, maybe power tools like a grinder. They become really useful out in the bush. In my opinion, an inverter is the way to go, especially if you want to come off the grid and explore places like this just that little bit better.